This is Houston, contact with a test. 1, 2, 3.
My name is Tabor Ballard.
I'm Jake Strobeck.
What happens when microorganisms are in space and when there's less gravity?
The ISS research project Chaos Crisis Behavior in Locomotion and Microgravity is trying to answer that question.
Chaos Carolinensis is a large amoeba. Amoebas are microscopic organisms.
They are studying how this amoeba moves. It has a unique method of movement because it has a very flexible membrane, which lets it change its shape completely.
It moves by using its pseudopodia, a part of the amoeba that helps it move around and grab food, kind of like our legs and hands.
In order to eat, it will form two pseudopodias and wrap those around to meet each other, enclosing its food. Then the cytoplasm evens out again. The amoeba feeds off of other amoebas and bacteria.
For amoebas to move in space and Earth, they have to be in a liquid.
Amoeba's pseudopodia are the first to experience the effects of microgravity.
Some amoebas cause bad diseases like dysentery and encephalitis, which are horrible diseases, but Chaos Carolinensis doesn't cause those deadly diseases.
Chaos Crisis looks exactly like the deadly amoebas. We can't study the deadly amoebas because scientists might get the diseases.
Which Chaos Carolinensis not having deadly diseases, they can study the amoebas and maybe find the cure to the deadly amoeba diseases.
Two, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End the test.